Good night. My name is Gerardo Ariza Alvarez. Date May 20, 2020. Analysis of the main answer and graphic. Question 10. Size of the company. This graph shows us that 67% of companies are small and the remaining 33% is represented by largest company. With this, we can analyze why in our country the implementation of new technology has been a slow process. Since small and medium-sized companies generally do not have sufficient resources to achieve the objective of a digital and technology transformation due to the need for them, larger implementation and maintenance investments to sustain this technology. Question 12. In the analysis of this graph showing the average annual sales scope, 67% invoice an average of 100 on to 500 million, while the remaining 33% invoice more than 500 million. It could be confirmed that only the largest will have the pressure for the implementation of technological improvements in search of digital transformation necessary to remain active in the market, which is become increasingly more competitive due to the globalization of and trade agreement. A proposal to solve the problem of digital transformation in Colombia enterprise. Although it is process of digital transformation first is a cultural change. It's important that small businesses receive government support because they do not have enough money for implementation. Thank you.